Hydronic floor heating infrared inspections. Infrared technology can be used for hydronic floor heating diagnostics. Many commercial buildings, shops, and residential properties have water floor heating systems. In many situations, a need arises to locate the floor heating lines or a leak in the system. The need to locate floor heating lines can be for a variety of reasons. An automotive repair shop may need to install an additional hoist. Prior to drilling into the floor, an infrared inspection can be performed to locate the in-floor piping. A manufacturing facility may want to install a new CNC machine, lathe, plasma table, water jet table, saw, or other equipment. Locating the in-floor hydronic heating lines prior to drilling holes for anchoring the equipment can prevent damage to the lines and costly repairs. A mudjacking company wants to avoid damaging floor heating lines when drilling holes for lifting sunken concrete. A homeowner wants to avoid damaging his hydronic heating system when drilling holes to anchor the walls of a secure storage room in their basement. Whatever the reason, locating hydronic heating lines using an infrared thermal imager is very effective and can be done quickly and accurately. As with other infrared inspections, in order to accurately locate floor heating lines, proper conditions and methods must be followed. Proper methods and factors to consider for the accurate infrared inspection of hydronic floor heating systems is a topic covered in the Infraspection Institute Level 1 Certified Infrared Thermographer course. This course and the certification exam can be completed online and at your own pace via distance learning. To register for this course, visit Insight Infrared Training at www.infraredtraining.ca.